Having a carbon monoxide detector is important, and knowing where to install one is just as important as having one. Hello, I'm Kenny Abell, Product Manager for Indoor Air Quality at Carrier. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless gas, and it can be deadly if it builds up inside your home. So where do you install your carbon monoxide detector? The first rule is to install one on every level of your home, including the basement. Carbon monoxide can rise and spread quickly, so full floor coverage gives you the best protection. Second, place detectors near sleeping areas. Ideally, install one inside or just outside every bedroom. That way you'll be alerted immediately, even while you're sleeping. Third, place one near any attached garage. Vehicle emissions and gas-powered tools can produce carbon monoxide that seeps into the home, especially if that garage is connected. Avoid placing detectors right next to windows, vents, or bathrooms where airflow or humidity could interfere with the readings. A carbon monoxide detector is one of the simplest and most important ways to protect your family. You can purchase carbon monoxide detectors from your local Carrier dealer. Schedule an appointment with one today.